Imagine you're in charge of IT operations at your company. As the operations manager, one of your main responsibilities is to make sure that all services and applications are not only available, but that they're performing at or above the levels you've committed to the business in your service level agreements. To help you get your arms around the complexity of your operations, you probably have several monitoring tools in place. Perhaps you're using AppManager. These tools provide critical information to help you maintain your environment and also create alerts when systems or applications fail to meet predefined performance objectives. However, many organizations have hundreds of applications and thousands of devices to monitor. All of these systems and devices generate numerous alerts and data points for your monitoring and management tools. With all of these alerts and data being generated, it introduces a new challenge. How do you prioritize your response? For example, if your car's check engine light comes on, what does that mean? Is it simply a loose gas cap, or is your engine about to fail? Your car has collected lots of data and correlated events to determine that you need to take action and visit a mechanic. If you saw every piece of data generated by your car, it would only serve to confuse you, and over time you'd likely ignore the flood of events. Managing your IT infrastructure is similar, but on a much larger scale. You need the right information to be successful. Today, NetIQ is uniquely capable to help organizations take the next step beyond simply managing and monitoring their systems and devices. Combining the best-in-class monitoring from AppManager with the Business Service Management and Operations Center, IT organizations can now monitor, measure, map, and communicate service-level compliance and performance in real time. For the next few minutes, we'll discuss how the powerful combination of AppManager and Operations Center can help you transform your management processes and help you better align your IT operations with the goals and priorities of your business. Let's begin with an example to illustrate how NetIQ's solution can help you better understand your IT services. One of your monitoring tools indicates that a server is running near capacity and is at risk of becoming unresponsive. If this server fails, what is the impact to your business? Will the entire service fail? Is revenue going to be directly impacted? If you had a system that provided a service-centric end-to-end view of the business, the alert regarding the server problem could be viewed in context and its true business impact would become clear. In this case, the server is part of a group of servers, and if it were to fail, its load would be taken up by other servers, so there would be no immediate impact to the business. AppManager, combined with Operations Center and its included integration modules, enable you to quickly create role-based views of your IT infrastructure and services that will alert the right people and prioritize event responses based on the actual business impact. That was a fairly simple example. Now let's look into another common problem found in many of today's organizations with complex integrated systems and IT infrastructures. This size and complexity is also coupled with intense change. Components are being added or modified constantly. It turns out that these planned changes are the single biggest cause of outages at most companies. It is very difficult to keep up with the demands of the business while staying in compliance with policies for change control. Managing change and moving at the speed of business should not create outages and put your business processes at risk. If you're currently using AppManager, you already have a rich source of near real-time configuration information. This repository of data, along with data from other monitoring and management tools, can be connected to Operations Center to populate its built-in configuration management database, or CMDB, thus creating your foundation for a system to track changes throughout your entire environment. In addition, AppManager Delta Discovery alerts will trigger Operations Center to reconcile changes against an item's last approved configuration. If the reconciliation fails, the system then initiates a search for an approved request for change. If both steps fail, an incident is created in your ticketing system, giving you the opportunity to review the change and address any potential issues proactively, thus avoiding costly outages. Businesses today need to be as effective and efficient as possible, and this requires IT to be a strategic partner to drive growth and innovation. In essence, IT needs to be a competitive advantage for the business. If internal IT can't deliver innovation with a high degree of reliability, the business may look outside at software as a service or other offerings to meet their needs. To remain competitive and to add value to the business, it is critical for IT to be on top of their game and have a strong business service perspective. Combining the best-in-class monitoring capabilities of AppManager with the business service management capabilities of Operations Center, it is possible to monitor, measure, map, and communicate service level compliance and performance in near real time. In short, AppManager and Operations Center are the powerful combination you need to transform your management processes and better align your IT operations with the goals and priorities of the business. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our solution. Please visit our website for even more detailed information.